Hello, I am the Transportation Planner on the Blue Mountain Ranger District, and today I will be presenting the existing conditions of the transportation system inside of the Camp Lick project area. I will start my presentation by giving a brief background of the road analysis completed in 2007 for the Camp Creek project area. The objective of the analysis were as follows: to identify needed and unneeded roads, to identify road-associated environmental and public safety risks, to identify site-specific priorities and opportunities for road improvements and decommissioning, and also to identify areas of unique resource values. The results of the road analysis completed in 2007 are as follows: 480 roads totaling 352 miles. Of the 480 roads, 239 roads were open for public use. 40% of the maintenance level 2 roads, or open roads, had rutting issues or were poorly functioning due to the lack of drainage features. About 70 miles of road had erosion concerns due to the lack of draining features or failing drainage features. The recommendations from the road analysis completed in 2007 are as follows: 45.9 miles of open or closed roads were proposed for decommissioning. Some reasons included: roads were no longer needed for future management purposes, to protect adjacent resources such as streams or aspen stands, and also to reduce sediment into the adjacent streams. 83.4 miles of proposed and existing road closures were proposed to be storm-proofed. Reasons included were roads needed for long management purposes, allows for permit access for fire, timber, and recreation projects, wildlife, and reduces sedimentation into streams. Also, substantial maintenance was identified. Reasons included: aggregate was needed to be placed to create a surface that would be resistant to rutting during the wet times of the year. Now for the existing Camp Lick system. The Forest Service transportation system associated with the Camp Lick project area consists of 399 total roads or portions thereof on a total of 400 miles. Inside the Camp Lick planning area, 193 miles on 254 roads are considered maintenance level 1 or closed to the public. 191 miles on 144 roads are considered maintenance level 2 or open to the public. 16 miles on one road is considered maintenance level 3 and it is open to the public. The non-Forest Service roads accessing the project area are as follows: County Road 18 to the south and County Road 20 on the north end. Here is a list of the primary forest access roads to the Camp Lick project area. These forest roads are considered part of the forest primary road system and are being used on a regular basis. And as you can see, all of these roads are considered maintenance level 2 or maintenance level 3 roads open for public use. Maintenance level 3 roads inside of the Camp Lick project area are maintained for safe and moderately convenient travel suitable for passenger cars, are open for public travel but have low volumes except during short periods of time, such as hunting season. Surveys done inside the Camp Lick project area have found maintenance level 3 roads in the following condition state: open, good to fair condition. Here are pictures of maintenance level 3 roads inside of the Camp Lick planning area, and as you can see, they are open and in good to fair condition. Maintenance level 2 roads are generally open for public use. They are maintained for high clearance vehicles only. They are typically aggregate surface, improved road surface, or native surface roads. They receive minimal maintenance unless used for project-specific work. Surveys in the Camp Lick project area have found maintenance level 2 or open roads in the following condition states: open in good to fair condition, open in poor condition, open and starting to close by natural vegetation overgrowth. Here are pictures of open roads inside of the Camp Lick planning area, and as you can see, they are in fair condition and have good drainage features and are being used on a daily basis. Here are pictures and examples of open ML2 roads in the Camp Lick project area, but they are in poor condition. Drainage structures such as cross drains and water bars are not always present or not functioning correctly, causing erosion, rutting, and damaging the road surface. Here are examples of maintenance level 2 open roads in the Camp Lick project area that are starting to close by natural vegetation overgrowth and some slash material. These roads have minor to no use. Maintenance level 1 roads inside the Camp Lick project area are intended to be closed or have motorized traffic restrictions. These were closed to the public under previous NEPA decisions. In the Camp Lick project area, maintenance level 1 or closed roads have been found in the following conditions: no physical closure or sign indicating closure. The road is being used. Physical closure that are effective with no use of the road. Physical closures that are not effective. Here's a picture and an example of a closed road inside of the Camp Lick project area that has no physical closure or sign indicating closure. This road is essentially open and being used. Here are pictures and examples of closed roads inside of the project area that has physical closure by earth berm, natural vegetation overgrowth, and is considered an effective closure. Here again are pictures and examples of closed roads inside of the Camp Lick project area that have physical closure by steel gate or pole gate. These are considered effective closures. Here are examples of closed roads within the project area that were closed by wood or pole gates but have been breached. These roads are considered not effective closures. When road closures efforts are not effective at eliminating motorized use, it results in unwanted resource impacts and an increase in need for maintenance and associated funding. All roads in the project area that go through private property have right-of-way access. The Camp Lick project area is known for its green dot seasonal closures. This project area contains 2 seasonal green dot closure periods sponsored by ODFW. These closures are intended to protect soils and wildlife habitat, to minimize harassment of wildlife, to maintain adequate book and bull escapement, to promote quality hunting. Period of restrictions may vary yearly. The open roads during this seasonal green dot for the Camp Lick project area are the 36 road, the 3640 road, the 3660 road, the 3670 road, and the 3675 road. This concludes my presentation for the existing conditions of the transportation system for the Camp Lick project area.